La Crosse's Bliss Road has a long history of closures and repairs, and more are on the way.
The road will undergo a week-long closure sometime this month. News 8's Sarah Tamer tells us more about the improvements.
Those living around La Crosse's Grandad Bluff may have to take the road less traveled again. The main road to the city's popular attraction will be closed for 1 week this month, and the closure has some first responders concerned.
Bliss Road has been closed for extended lengths. It's definitely impacted us and delayed us a bit as well, as it has with the first responders and fire departments.
Those living up the bluff say the closure will add time to their daily commute.
If I have to go around, it would mean a difference of about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes longer, and which is a concern.
According to La Crosse's Department of Public Works, a landslide needs to be repaired in the woods below a section that was fixed back in 2007.
It's really not directly impacting the road yet, but obviously the bottom of the hill is what holds up the top of the hill, so eventually if we have problems on the bottom of the hill, it's going to work its way up and it's going to affect the road at some point.
The department has been waiting for a special piece of equipment, and now that it has arrived, the work is ready to get done.
We're going to park an excavator on the road that's got a special, really long, 60-foot long reach to it, and we're going to try to fix the landslide from the road.
While closure for construction is necessary, safety also plays a role.
Because the road is so narrow and having all that construction equipment parked on the road, it's just too dangerous to allow cars and pedestrians to weave in and out of all that construction equipment. So that's why we really need to close the road for safety reasons.
And because safety is the main concern, first responders find alternative ways to be prepared.
There are pre-arrivals that instructions that can help a person when they do call 911.
In La Crosse, Sarah Tamer, News 8.
Public Works plans to announce the exact date of that road closure by the end of this week.